Welcome guys to another unbox or unpackaging for today. Not one pack magic, not two pack magic, but three pack magic. So we ordered three of these packs from Amazon. Let's see what we pull. Let's see what we pull. I'm hoping for some good cards here. The only thing I hate about these cards, opening them is a little tough then. You kind of have to open it upside down. Alright, here we go. Let's go, let's go. Mew. All right. Ha, that's awesome. Surfing Pikachu VMAX. All right, we'll take it. We'll take it. Let's see here. Yeah, it's going to be easier just to push them on the bottom. Open it from the bottom here. Or normally it's easier. There we go. So, Pikachu. Nice. Alright, alright. I mean, hey, we got a VMAX. I'm not complaining. I'm happy with the VMAX. And there's our holo. Alright, so we're going to keep those all separate. Let's check this out again here. Reverse, reverse, reverse. It's a pretty nice card, actually. If you actually look at the whole thing, you can see that effect going on. It's a nice card. Yeah, not bad pulls.